Hi everyone, this is Grammar here, and today we have another topic just for you. The use of to versus for when we're talking about the use of something. For example, my marker. Okay, here my example is, my marker is used to write on the board. So, if I use this verb here, and this verb is in simple form, that means I have to use to and not for. So once again, my marker is used to write on the board. That's the use of my marker. However, I have another possibility, and that possibility is to use a verb here in ing form. Now, if I do that, I have to use for. So my example here would be, my marker is used for writing on the board. So as you can see, you decide if you're going to use to or for. However, be careful. If you use to, your verb must be in simple form or base form. If you use for, then your verb must be in ing form. Okay, so just to summarize this simple topic, if I use to, my verb is in simple form. If I use for, my verb is in ing. So once again, as you can see, English is easy peasy, super breezy.